English Flow Podcast.
Yawn. Oh, good morning, everyone. Or maybe it's not morning where you are. Anyway, welcome back to Easy English Conversations, the podcast where we speak slowly, naturally, and talk about real life.
Good morning, or should I say, good morning, sunshine. Sorry, I'm still waking up, Rebecca. I had one of those nights where you fall asleep at 2 a.m. watching random YouTube videos.
Oh, James! Again? That's like the third time this week.
Hey, research. I was watching a video about morning routines, actually. uh,
Perfect. Then you're ready for today's topic, morning routines. So, if you're listening, grab your coffee, your tea, or even your toothbrush, because we're going to talk about real mornings. The good, the bad, and the sleepy. Okay, James, let's be honest. How does your morning really start?
Honestly, I hit the snooze button at least 3 times.
I knew it. You're one of those just 5 more minutes people.
Oh, yeah. My alarm goes off at 7, then 7:05, then 7:10. And I finally get up at 7:20, if I'm lucky.
You know, there are two kinds of people in this world. People who jump out of bed like superheroes, and people like you.
Hey, I try, but my bed is like it's got this magical power. It's warm, it's soft, it's whispering, "Stay with me, James, forever."
That sounds dramatic. You're making it sound like a romance movie. The man who loved his bed.
Exactly. Coming soon to theaters.
Okay, well, my morning is a little different. When my alarm rings, I actually sit up, but I always feel like a zombie. I need at least 5 minutes to remember who I am and where I live.
The "who am I" moment? Yes, I know that feeling. Sometimes I even forget what day it is.
Exactly. Like, wait, is it Monday? Please tell me it's Saturday.
Oh, I say that every morning. And then I check my phone and boom, reality hits.
That's the worst. Anyway, after I remember I'm a human being, I drink a big glass of water. It's my secret tip. 1 glass before anything, even coffee.
Ah, you're one of those healthy morning people. You probably do yoga too, right?
Well, sometimes I plan to do yoga, and then I just stare at the wall for 10 minutes instead.
That still counts. Mindful staring. Very advanced technique.
Yeah, I call it thinking about life, but actually thinking about breakfast.
That's the realest thing I've heard today.
So, your morning starts with a fight against your alarm, and mine starts with confusion and wall staring. We're doing great.
We're totally crushing this adult life thing.
Absolutely. Step 1, survive the morning. Step 2, coffee.
Now that's something I can agree on.
Okay, after water and wall staring, I brush my teeth, of course. But I'm so slow in the morning.
Same here. I always forget something. Last week, I went to work without brushing my hair. I looked like a pineapple.
Oh no! Pineapple, James. That's a new nickname.
Don't you dare.
All right, all right. But seriously, I think how we prepare in the morning affects our whole day.
True. If I'm rushed, I feel stressed all day.
Exactly. I started preparing my clothes and breakfast the night before.
That's smart. I should try that. Usually, I just run around the house shouting, "Where's my phone?" or "Where are my keys?"
That's such a classic.
You know what helps? Music. I always play music while getting ready.
Really? What kind of music?
Usually something upbeat, like 80s pop. Makes me dance while brushing my teeth.
You dance with toothpaste foam in your mouth?
Of course. Multitasking.
All right, let's talk about breakfast. What do you usually eat?
Coffee? Does that count?
No, coffee is not breakfast.
It's liquid motivation.
No, coffee is... Okay. But seriously, breakfast helps me wake up. I usually have oats, banana, and sometimes eggs, not breakfast.
That sounds so healthy.
It is. And it makes me feel proud. Like, yes, I'm an adult. I ate a real breakfast.
That's rare. Most people just grab a croissant and run.
Yeah, but sometimes I do that too, especially when I'm late. I'll grab toast in one hand and my phone in the other.
Classic modern life.
Let's talk about mindset. Do you do anything to feel positive in the morning?
Sometimes I listen to podcasts.
Oh, nice answer.
But really, I try to say something nice to myself. Like, today is going to be good.
That's powerful. I do something similar. I write one sentence in my notebook, something I'm grateful for.
That's beautiful. It's small things like that that make mornings peaceful.
Exactly. And sometimes when I have time, I stretch a little. Just slow breathing, soft music.
That sounds too relaxing. You're going to make me fall asleep again.
So, to everyone listening, your morning doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah, it's okay if you wake up late sometimes or forget your keys.
What matters is how you start your energy. Drink water, smile a little, and maybe dance like James while brushing your teeth.
Yes, that's my advice. Dance like nobody's watching, even with toothpaste in your mouth.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Conversations.
We hope this slow, real talk helps you relax and practice your English.
And remember, tomorrow morning, when you wake up, think of us saying,
Good
morning.